I already look like a nutcase going through Taco Bell with my bird. But I can't make this up.
Welcome back to Bird's Life, where we dive into the colorful, chaotic, and endlessly fascinating world of our feathered friends. It's always incredible to watch friendships form between different species, like the gentle bond between a social lovebird and a calm cockatiel.
Somebody once told me that cockatoos are quiet, pleasant pets.
You're a liar.
This one is broken.
No, she's a cockatoo.
Are you broken, bird? Can you say, woo?
Can you say, I have mental problems?
Demi, shush. Demi, shush. Where are you going?
Go to sleep.
What are you doing? Woo!
Budgerigars are naturally curious to an almost limitless degree, constantly exploring every corner of their environment, even if it means squeezing into tight or unusual spaces. While it might look funny to us, this behavior mirrors their survival instincts in the wild, where carefully searching every possible spot is essential for finding food and water.
Go get that squirrel, Corey. Go get that squirrel. That squirrel's looking at you, Corey. Go ahead. That squirrel's looking at you, Corey.
You can learn a lot about a cockatiel's mood just by looking at the crest on its head. A flattened crest often signals fear or discomfort, while a relaxed, slightly raised crest shows that the bird feels safe, calm, and comfortable in its environment.
Happy, are you happy? Happy birthday. Happy, happy. What's up, eh? Happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday. What's that, eh? What's that?
Caiques are often called the clowns of the parrot world, and for good reason. They are full of energy, constantly interacting with objects, tapping, banging, and exploring. What might seem like random noise is actually a clear sign of their intelligence and their need for mental stimulation.
You going into solid night? I know, right now you're going in. Look. Look who's here. Look who's here. That's Steve. Look, Corey. That's Steve. You want to sit down and come down? You at the Salvos today, you going to have lunch?
Hey, how you doing?
Huh?
The guy comes over with his bird all the time.
You want to pet him? Go ahead, you can pet him. Yeah, Corey likes everybody. Go ahead. The girl wants to pet you. Hiya. Look who else is here, Corey.
Corey,
Hi.
Corey.
You telling everybody you love them?
Yeah.
Okay, gonna show you down now.
Bathing is not just a playful activity for birds like the green-cheeked conure, but an essential part of their daily care.
Oh, you pooped in it. Did you poop? Did you poop? Oh gosh.
Announcing the star of our show, Skeeter! Yay!
Watching different parrot species interact in a shared space offers a fascinating look into their social behavior. Even without words, they communicate through subtle movements, sounds, and positioning, creating a complex system of interaction that closely reflects their natural instincts. Because of this, objects like computer keyboards become irresistible to them. Removing keys or interacting with small parts satisfies their natural instinct to explore, manipulate, and solve problems. When two birds groom each other, they are engaging in a behavior known as allopreening. This not only helps maintain their feathers, but also strengthens their bond and creates a sense of trust and comfort between them. Lovebirds may be small in size, but they are incredibly strong and determined. They often interact with their environment in surprisingly powerful ways, moving objects and testing their surroundings as part of their natural curiosity. Parrots also share a rare ability with humans. They can sense rhythm and move in sync with music. This behavior is not just learned, but a natural response to sound, showing their advanced cognitive abilities. Most parrots, caiques are known for their playful behavior, including rolling onto their backs. This unusual action shows that they feel completely safe and comfortable in their environment.
No, don't get me. Mr. Jiggler. I could take both of you with one toe. Ow! Ow! Let me drag you.
Rainbow lorikeets have a specialized tongue designed for feeding on nectar, which supports their high-energy lifestyle. This unique adaptation is one of the reasons they are so active and playful throughout the day. When a budgie taps or interacts with a toy in a repetitive way, it may actually be displaying a form of bonding behavior. This instinct comes from their natural courtship actions, showing just how strongly they can connect with their surroundings.